where from hack word comes. It was at MIT that hack firstly recorded earlier 1960. Since then, many of computer community using this word hack. Hi guys, this is Hemant, your host. We are going to learn hacking and basically fundamental of ethical hacking. But before that, we all need to know what is the exactly hacking mean. Hacking is the process of finding vulnerabilities in a system and using these found vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access into the system to perform miscellaneous activity. Guys, I hope you understand what exactly hacking stand for. Okay, so the hacking is unethical hacking and ethical hacking. Unethical hacking is totally illegal because any hacker breach the system security, find the system vulnerability and use that vulnerabilities for miscellaneous activity. It is totally illegal. That is considered as unethical hacking. However, different part is ethical hacking. It is totally legal hacking because in this hacking a professional have a permission from the administrator action and find the vulnerability in the system and also remove the vulnerability from the system for secure the system and also provide security to the system. Got the concept of unethical hacking and the ethical hacking. Unethical hacking is totally illegal and always it is illegal, and ethical hacking is the legal because any ethical hacker have the permission from the administrator of the system or the any organization. Okay, so now we will discuss about the type of hackers because in this cyber world different type of hackers is we only discuss the main four type of hackers. So the four type of hackers is white hat hacker, black hat hacker, gray hat hacker, and the suicide hacker. In this series, first of all, we discuss the white hat hacker. These kind of hackers also known as professional because these hacker is doing ethical hack many operations on the system, and these kind of professional also find the system vulnerabilities and also fix that for security purpose. However, black hat hacker is totally different from the white hat hackers. These kind of hackers also known as cracker because these hackers doing illegal activities as like unethical hacking. These hackers find the system vulnerabilities and using that vulnerabilities for miscellaneous activities and also breach the system security and also stole some information on this system. So this is totally illegal. And also guys, be aware from the black hat hacker or a cracker. Now the third one is gray hat hacker. These hackers, the combination of white hat hacker and black hat hacker. These hacker also provide system security and also work as a professional, but sometimes these hackers also doing some illegal activities and also breach the system security. Got the concept of white hat hacker, black hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. And in this last one, these hacker affected by the political view and also critical views, and these hacker never afraid from the police and never afraid for a punishment. So that's why in this tutorial we will discuss the five. Okay, break the security of the computer or any particular victim system is considered under the computer hacking. As like the email hacking is a word email. So if any hacker hack any person email and use that email for miscellaneous activities, for spamming, and different kind of use in legal activities, that is considered under email hacking. And the third one is network hacking. If any hacker hack the network and break the system or network security, for example, if any hacker hack the password of email, computer, server, or any kind of password that related to the system, it's considered under the password hacking. And the last one is website hacking. For the website hacking, the hackers use different kind of tools like DOS attack, DDoS attack, SQL injections, cross scripting to hack the website. We will discuss the all type of tools and its uses in our future tutorials. Okay guys, I hope you understand the different type of hacks. Now we are going for next step of ethical hacking, that is phases of ethical hacking. In the ethical hacking we have 5 phases, and the first one is reconciliation, second is scanning, third one is gaining access, fourth is maintaining access, and the fifth is clearing tracks. Reconciliation is also known as information gathering and footprinting. In this, we get the information for the system or the target, and after that, we scan the network and scan the system, and after that, we gain this access on the system, maintaining access, and then after the complete the work we just clearing track. In this tutorial we discuss the first step, or you can say the first phase of ethical hacking, that is reconciliation. And in the reconciliation, first of all, we gather the initial network information from the internet, and then we determine the network range, and after that we identify active machines because we can only target the active machines, and then we discover the open ports and access point, because without the open port and access point we cannot hack the system or hack the any network. And after discovering the port and access, we fingerprinting operating system. The fingerprinting term we will discuss in next step. Its mean we have to collect the information of the operating system that is an active machine, as like what kind of operating system is running in the active machine, so we can hack the system easily if we are aware about the operating system. And after fingerprinting of operating system, we will uncover service on port and map the network. So these are the steps of reconciliation. Now we are going to discuss the type of reconciliation. Okay, so there is a two type of reconciliation. First one is active reconciliation and the second one is passive reconciliation. Active reconciliation, we can directly contact to the target or to the system to collect the information of the system. But in the passive reconciliation, we not directly contact to the system. We try to collect the information from the internet. We try to get the information from the website, social networking methods, and different of kinds of method we will use in passive reconciliation. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to demonstrate some kind of passive reconciliation. Before that, we want to know what exactly footprinting mean, because reconciliation is also known as information gathering and the footprinting. Okay, so in the footprinting, first of all we have to get the information as like the domain name and the IP address of the domain name, namespace, then employee information, phone number, and email address. These are the basic information that are collected under the footprinting. Okay guys, so now we are going to demonstrate some kind of footprinting for my website, that is www.sitesol.com. The information or how we can, now I am going to demonstrate how we can get the information from the internet, and that is called passive recognition. In the first step, we have a website that is called whois.com. This website help you guys to get the domain information. In this, you have to insert the URL of the website and just click on Whois, and after that you can see the result is come up. It is showing the domain name and the registrar name and when was this website is registered on the internet, and these expiry date of this website, and you can see the name server of this website, and also you can check the resident contact, that is Rajasthan, India. Okay, so this is the basic information of the website, and you can also collect the information from the GoDaddy Whois. Okay, so if we can check, this is the link for GoDaddy Whois. We just copy this address and go to the new tab. You have to click on the captcha, and after that GoDaddy will give you the all information that is related to this domain, because if you not fill the captcha, it is not giving you the detail. Okay, so now the detail is come up. You can check the domain, and here is the all detail like the address of the registrant, and this is the postal code, and this is the phone number, and as also you can got the email address of the target. So this is the basic step to get the information, and it is also known as the footprinting. Here is the name server, and if you want to check the IP address of this domain, you just open the CMD in your system and then ping the URL, that is www.sitesol.com, and then this. Okay, so now here you got the IP address of the website. By helping this IP address, you can also locate the server location of this website. Okay, so let me demonstrate how you can get the location of the website server. Okay, so I just copy this IP address, and the other website that I have, that is IP location, you have to search on the Google, and after that you just click on the IP location finder, and you just put the IP address that you copied from the command prompt, and just click on IP lookup. If you can check, here is the information. I apologize, now the information is coming up. Okay, so this is the IP address, and it is located under United States, Arizona, and this is the city name, and you can also check the latitude and the longitude of the server, and if you can copy and paste this latitude and longitude in Google Map, that is, you can get the exact location of the server. If you can just visit the Google Maps, and then you just have to insert the latitude and longitude on the search bar and then press enter. So you can get the exact location of the server. Just okay, it is searching for the location. Sometime it take longer than usual time. Okay, so now it's completed, and you can check this is the location where the server is exactly located. So that's it, guys. This is the example of footprinting and first step of the hacking or ethical hacking, that is information gathering. And okay guys, now we discussed fingerprinting. Fingerprinting in ethical hacking refer to any method that is used to determine the operating system that is being run on the target computer. Fingerprinting, much like footprinting, is both active and passive. If we talk about active fingerprinting, that is used by Nmap and Zenmap. These are two tools considered under the active fingerprinting. By these tools, we also get the operating system information, open port information, and all required information by the active method. And second one is passive fingerprinting, like sniffing, Wireshark. It is also known as man in the middle attack. In the future tutorial, we will discuss the both active and the passive fingerprinting, Nmap, Zenmap, sniffing, and Wireshark. I hope guys you understand the fundamental of ethical hacking. Guys, you like this video. Thank you so much. And in future we will also provide you more tutorials on the ethical hacking. For today, goodbye. Thank you.